Do you have a hole in your drywall? I'm going to show how you can fix any hole, whether tiny or massive. For the smallest holes, simply apply spackle with a small drywall knife. Spackle is very soft and lightweight, so for anything larger, considering using joint compound. It's easiest if you buy it already pre-mixed. Don't worry about getting it perfectly flat. Simply fill the entire hole. We'll come back to them later. For larger holes, begin with a small patch of drywall that completely covers the hole. You want to size the hole and patch so that they fit together cleanly. Here I am removing all the damaged drywall around the hole and patting it out to the size of my patch. Don't plug the hole yet. Simply install some blocking behind the wall with just scrap wood so you can have something to secure your patch to. Here I am just getting some screws started so I can hold the wood with my other hand. Remember to tighten the drywall screws just barely beneath the surface, but not so tight as you're tearing the paper. You can now add the patch and secure it to your blocking. For maximum quality, you can take the time to apply drywall tape over the seams. If you use a self-adhesive tape, simply tape over the seams. If you have drywall tape with no adhesive, lay a bed of compound first to act as the glue. Press the tape firmly into the wall and let it dry. Next, apply a layer of joint compound over the seams and the patch. Come in with your large knife and taper the compound outward. You want a smooth, gentle transition. Let everything dry and come back for a final sanding or another layer as needed. A quick tip, don't sand so much that you end up exposing the tape. Now go ahead and finish it up with a coat of paint. And just like that, your wall looks like the hole was never even there. Save this for later and give it a try yourself.